What have I learned about technologies from the process of constructing this product? I feel I have learned a great deal of new things from using technologies when creating my film. Although I knew how to use the majority of these technologies already, I developed a better understanding of the technology because I had more time using them during the process of creating my film. Some of the technologies I used to create my film were digital SLR, search engines, YouTube, Blogger, Final Cut X, and voice recorder. The most frequent piece of technology I used was a digital SLR, due to the fact it was the only equipment to record my film. Using a digital SLR was a new experience for me because I had never used a camera like that before, and the only basic function of the camera I knew at the start were the record button and the shutter button. Throughout the time using the digital SLR, I developed a greater understanding of how to use the camera professionally through video tutorials and through my own and others' experiences. Another piece of technology I used was search engines. The main search engine I used was Google because I feel that it was a very quick and reliable source to find information. One of the ways I used Google was to research similar genre films like Ill Manners and Bullet Boy. This was a helpful piece of technology because it showed me ideas of content which could be added into my film. Furthermore, the contents of my film consisted with the movements of Scowl. The setting in our film had to be filthy, which represented the themes of crime drama and also demonstrated poverty for those who are a part of the working class. Moreover, I also had to look at the costume of our genre because it had to match the themes of my film, otherwise it would not make sense to the audience watching. An additional piece of technology used to help create my film was YouTube. Also, this technology published my film for others to see. I did not have trouble working my way around this technology because I have been using this for many years now. However, what struck me was some of the features I could use. One of the features was embedded share feature, which allowed me to put videos onto my blog without having to access YouTube when reading my blog. I also used a piece of technology called Final Cut X. This was the first time using an editing software, thus giving me an ample amount of time to figure out how to use the software and how I could then further demonstrate my new understanding of the technology by applying it to the progression of my final film. Throughout the time I spent using the software, I feel more confident because I know where to locate certain editing techniques such as transitions and sound effects. Moreover, having this new knowledge about this technology gives me belief to edit a new film quicker and better than my current film. Lastly, the final piece of technology I use to create my film is a voice recorder. This piece of technology is very basic due to the fact it's simply pushing the button to start and then pushing the same button to stop. The new thing I've learned from using this technology was being able to interpret the voice into my film. Previously, I would not have known how to do that, but fully understanding the concept of the voice recorder, it allows me to reach a new plateau because I'm incorporating other technologies into my film.